Hi, Rochelle here with Lembox Beauty, your wholesome beauty expert. And here at Lembox Beauty, we enhance your natural beauty with our natural products. And today we're making lip glosses. So we're going in with our holiday edition for our lip gloss kit. And I have my daughter here today, and she's going to help us make some lip glosses.
Hi.
So in your kit, you're going to receive 2 lip gloss bases, the tubes for the glosses, and then as well as pigments and shimmers and clay mix-ins as well. And then you're also going to get in your scents to scent your glosses, as well as 2 piping bags and 2 spatulas. And today you are going to also get an instruction manual and as well as this video to follow along with. So Nola, today we're going to start with 1 gloss for you and then 1 gloss for me. So the first step with our lip gloss kit, you're going to start with your bases. So grab your base, you're going to remove the lid. So remove your lid. Perfect. And then you want to show them what the gloss base looks like. It's just a clear gloss. Like I said, everything's always natural, always plant-based, and it's safe for the kiddos. So we are going to start with our pigments. So here we have 3 different pigments. We have 1 glitter and then we have a clay mix-in. And this one we're going to save to the end. So Nola, you're going to come in with a pigment. So what color do you want to start with?
I'll start with red because shirt.
You want to do red? This is your shirt. I think I'm going to go in with like this hollow color. It's really pretty. Yeah. And then you're going to grab your spatula. You can either pour it in, you can do a little, or you can do a lot. You can use your spatula if it makes it easier to pour in. Alright, you can put that back up whenever you're done. I'm going to go in with my spatula to kind of grab the pigment out of there. You can pour it in as well, but if you use a spatula, it makes it a little bit easier to control how much pigment you put in there. So now you have your coloring, you can go ahead and start mixing it. I think I am going to add a little bit of like this pink bronzy color, would be really pretty. So Nola's doing the red one. I'm going to do like a pink brown one, would be super pretty. Throw that in there. Ooh, and she's going in with the hollow one, so it's going to be like a red holographic gloss. So I'm going to go in and mix it. So we're mixing it here.
Oh, pink in there.
Wow, I love that. That's super pretty. Yeah, it has like a pink and a red. Do you want to show them what it looks like?
Okay.
Here, and I'm gonna hold it up to them for you. Okay? It's really pretty. Ooh, I love it. All right, keep mixing. So next you're gonna add your scents. You're gonna have a little baggie with 3 different scents. And it comes with candy cane, vanilla, and a holiday surprise scent. So you're gonna add just 2 to 3 drops of each scent, or you can mix them, or just do 1 if you like. But which scent would you like to go with?
Actually, I like all of them. I want to do eye candy.
You want to do all of them? All right, so you're going to do 2 drops of each scent. And then you're going to do the holiday surprise scents. Longer.
I feel like water.
Yeah.
It looks like gingerbread.
Was that the holiday surprise you got? Yeah. Mix it. It smells good?
Yeah, it smells like gingerbread.
Oh. Yeah, I love it. You're going to grab your 2 piping bags. You're going to open it up. Roll down the edges. Kind of like a little cup. It looks like this. I'll help you out here. I know this one sometimes a little tricky. So we're going to roll it down, make a little bowl. So next you're going to pick up your gloss and we're going to scrape it into our piping bags. Try to get all of it on there. It has a little spatula, so it makes it a little bit easier to get all the gloss. Just try to scrape the bowl. So now you're going to pick up your piping bag, pull the bottom part down, and kind of get it back to the way it was when we started. And just kind of pull it out, make sure it's nice and flat. Looks like this. Perfect. And what you're going to want to do is make sure you move all the gloss to the bottom of the piping bag. Just 2 fingers. Yeah, there you go. See how much easier that is? Because when you apply too much pressure, the gloss will just get stuck in between your fingers. Perfect. So now we have that all the way at the bottom. We're going to next twist our piping bags to make sure the air and the gloss doesn't escape the top part. So next you're going to grab your tubes, and it came with 2 tubes and 2 stoppers. So you're going to take those out of your bags and get them ready. So now grab your tube. And here, this is where we go in with our clay mixing. So this way we're going to put the mixings into the tube. So this way we can see all the cute little decorations that we made. So we're going to pour in. Yep, and I'll pour them in your hand, and you can kind of just place them inside your tube.
I'm going to put them on here.
Okay, perfect. There. And I'll put some in my tube as well. You're going to grab your piping bag with the gloss. You're going to make sure you hold it upwards, upside down. Hold it like this. This way, we got to cut off a 1/4 inch off the tip so that the gloss can come out. But we're going to hold it upwards so the gloss doesn't like spew out while we're cutting. So we're just going to cut like a little, like 1/4 inch off the top. Now, I'm going to help you with this part. I'm going to go in, I'm going to squeeze it. And then as we get to the end, you may need help depending on, see, we'll have to squeeze out the excess. And now we're going to go in with a stopper. Yep, the stopper, the little, the clear one, and they look like this. It's like a clear little stopper. Perfect. Yep. Your lid, the black lid. Perfect. So now that you have it all filled, we're going to make it extra pretty. We're going to add our labels. So in your box, you actually are going to receive 2 labels with Unboxed Beauty on it. So this way it can look all official. So we're going to go in with the label, and I'll help you with this part so you can get it all nice and straight. Alright, we're going to put it on there. Oops. And wrap it around. Make sure it lines up. And there we go. And you want to show them what it looks like. Perfect. And then I can rub your lips together and lovely. Oh, nice and holiday. I love it. So pretty. And put your cap back on. Show yours too.
Yeah.
And there you have it, guys. Make your own lip glosses at home. Bye.